Hi Internet, back with another review on the Bose Quiet Comfort Earbuds 2. These were originally released September 2022 at $300 and they're already at $250, which is the same price as the AirPod Pros, which I think is interesting because I don't know if these are quite as good as the AirPod Pros. Let me take you through what we have here. In the box, we have two other sets of silicone tips and also two other sets of fit rings which fit around the earbud, similar to the old Bose Sport Buds. I don't know if I like this more or less than the old design, but it does fit pretty well in the ear. The app has a pretty good animation showing you how to take them off and also put them back on. It's pretty simple. Put them back on and then it kind of clicks into place. It's a nice design. Back to unboxing here. The case is matte black and has the earbuds in there. I have chonky fingers and it's kind of hard to get them out. Nice magnets though, which keeps them in place, which I appreciate. Nice magnets. Bose is getting closer to the AirPod stem design. This is a USB-C case. I'll take you through how to connect it. You hit this button on the back and pull the Bose Music app. And it's going to be looking for the buds. Then you hit connect and it pulls up the iPhone pair button. Hit pair. Pending. The app then lets you name your headphones something fun. I named mine Midnight Magic. So then when you connect your headphones and your Bluetooth settings, it says Midnight Magic. The headphones go in your ear and then slide back into place. This is how it looks on my head. It fits pretty well. I will say I don't think these fit as well as the AirPod Pros. They're smaller than the old Bose Sport Buds, but not as small as the AirPod Pros, and they do kind of hurt my ear after a while. When I first connected them, it did have an update. Not sure what the update did. You can look it up if you're interested. The physical headphone controls are swipe down, swipe up, volume up, tap to play pause, and 2 taps or triple tap to go forward or back. You can assign the left shortcut to do certain things, like you can press and hold the stem to ask your assistant certain things like, "Hi robot, how are you?"
I'm fine, thanks.
The thing I don't like about these earbuds is that if you want to switch between aware mode or noise cancellation, you have to go into the app, wait for it to connect, then tap modes, then change it, or you can just hold the side of the ear stem to change the setting, but it's just kind of cumbersome. You can also create different modes with the noise cancellation settings. It's pretty much the only thing you can change is how much the noise cancellation is on, which is of increments of 5% looks like, or 10%. It really doesn't change much. I do like the EQ settings in the app. Those are very nice, and it's kind of fun to play around with and see how different songs sound when you're playing around with the EQ. I kind of like just having it flat. I do like the Bose flat sound. Aware mode is nice. It will automatically reduce loud sounds for you. For as big as this case is, there's no wireless charging. You'd think there would be for $250. It is USB-C though, and it has quick charging, so it does charge very quickly. But you'd think there'd be wireless charging for $250, right? There is with AirPod Pros, and that's a smaller case. Why is this such a big case if there's no wireless charging? Kind of odd. I just feel like this is kind of a late product from Bose. Here are some microphone examples. This is an example recording using the Bose Quiet Comfort 2 earbuds. I don't think it sounds that good actually. These apparently have 4 mics in each earbud, but when playing back, it doesn't sound that good. I'm in a quiet room right now with the furnace blowing pretty far away, but I don't think these earbuds sound that good. This is the microphone from my AirPods Pro 2. You can be the judge if this sounds better than the Bose Quiet Comfort 2s or the AirPods Pro 2s. I am on a busy street now with the Bose Quiet Comfort 2 earbuds. You can be the judge of the mic on a busy street. Just walking about at night. A truck is just about to drive by me. These are the AirPod Pros 2 with a truck driving by. Here's an example of the Bose Quiet Comfort 2 buds. While I'm in an echoey room, here's an example of the microphone. Back to my Rode mic. When you first put the earbuds in your ear, they make this orchestral sound letting you know that they're in your ear. It's too loud in my opinion, and you cannot change it in the app. It's kind of annoying. There's just a few things about the app I don't like. Overall, I'd say the app is a 6, the sound's an 8, and the fit and build is a 7. I think they've kind of regressed on the fit a little bit. It's not as good as the AirPod Pros, yet they're charging the same price. Aware mode is pretty good, but it has kind of a hissing noise when you're listening to it. Please like and sub for more audio content coming up.